How to accept collab invite on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. So in today's video I'll simply show you how you can accept a collab on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So maybe someone has invited you to become a collaborator, right? And it is showing up on your specific page or your DM list, and then you want to accept that collaboration. So how do you accept that collaboration? Well, it is actually very simple to do that. All you have to do is go ahead and launch the Instagram application over here. So once we launch the Instagram app, you can see I have received a notification at the top, which is basically a collaboration request, as someone has tagged me over here. If you don't see over here, you can also simply swipe to your DMs page, and then here you'll find the option called "This person has invited you to be a collaborator on their post." So we're going to just tap on the view request button over here, and it says this person has invited you to be a collaborator. Just tap on the review option. Now what this is that this person has invited you. If you accept, it'll be shared to your profile and the followers in feed. You'll be shown as another author on the post, which will be shared with the public audience. So you have to keep that in mind, that when you accept it, it is going to show up on both of your feeds, such as on the other person's or the one whom the person is collaborating, which is of course you in this case. If you want to decline it, you can decline. If you want to accept it, you can accept, but keep in mind that it will also show up on your feed. Hope this video helped you as to how you can accept collaboration on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.